Hey YouTube, this is a quick walkthrough video how to remove your coil packs. Okay, when you remove your air filter box here, these are the coil packs here. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4. Um, you gotta remove this. I think it's a 10 mm bolt, and this the plug here. Just squeeze on it to remove this, and then gently wiggle the coil pack out. That's how you remove it and replace it. And the spark plug is in there, you can replace it also. I'm gonna put another video, link another video to show you how to do this. On other cars is the same. And this one here, you need to take out this piece of the air filter hose here. There's a clamp here. Just take this clamp out like this and pull it back, and you wiggle this out to get to this last coil pack. It's very simple to do. This is a 2016 Volkswagen Jetta. It's not hard to do. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos. Leave any comment in the comments below, and thanks for watching.